What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to measure your nails and install your press-ons. So first we're going to need a measuring tape, you guys, and this is going to measure out the size nail that you should purchase. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the millimeter side and you're just going to place that first line after the one. You're going to place that first line where the beginning of your nail bed starts, and you're going to count each line in between all the way until you reach the other side of your nail bed. And that line, those lines in between are going to determine what size you should get. If you follow the chart, you'll see exactly what I'm saying. So my thumb stops right there, which was 17 lines. So in my notes on my phone, I put 17 next to my thumb. And now I'm just going to repeat the same thing and do it all over again on each finger. And we're going to match it up to the chart that is provided for us. And that'll tell you if you need to get a size small, medium, or large. Alright, you guys, so when you're all done measuring your nails, you just want to make sure that they're all clean and dry. This is the package that my nails came in. I will link the information down below on where I got it from. I got 2 sets, the color red and nude. So cute, but we're going to be doing red today, you guys. I'm just in the red little, spirit, so that's what we're going to do. It comes with your own set of glue. You can use this glue or you can purchase super glue from like the dollar store. Also comes with instructions, and it comes with a thank you card, you guys. So cute. And in the instructions, it said that we should file our nails and pull back our cuticles. I don't have a nail file and I don't have the thing that you put your cuticles back with, but I do have that tool, so that's what we're gonna do. I had to get the job done. So next, what I'm going to do is take each nail out of the package. Well, each nail for each hand, if that makes sense. I'm going to leave one in the box and one outside of the box. Y'all seen what I did. So now we're just going to apply these nails to our fingers. And you just want to make sure that you hold that nail down for at least 10 seconds, you guys, because you don't want these to budge. And if you really want them to stay on for a very long time, I kind of advise using super glue, because I noticed that the glue, it works, but I know that if I use super glue, it will last a little bit longer. So I'm just going to continue to put these nails on, you guys. It's kind of self-explanatory. Just going to put the glue on and you're going to press that nail down, and you want to make sure you hold on for at least 10 seconds. Woo! So we are finished with our nails, you guys, and look at that. It literally looks like I went to the nail salon to get my nails done. I feel like I got a fresh new set. And this was only $10, you guys. I forgot to mention that. These were only $10. I think they're originally $20, but I got them on sale for $10. And this is so convenient. If you don't want to go to the nail salon, make sure you get you some press-on nails. You guys just seen how easy this was. Alright, you guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.